the sound when they got them a beat, my beat, my beat. Everybody sound when they got them a beat, 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 beat. Beep, 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 beep. Checking for sound. Checking for sound. Golden soil, golden soil, on the golden soil, on the golden soil, on the golden soil, golden soil, golden soil. Let's go. Beep, beep, on the side where the young them a beep, beep, on the Samsung phone them a beep, beep, on the iPhone now them a beep, beep, on the BlackBerry phone them a beep, 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 beep. That's how me love the girl them so. That's how me love the girl them so. Them inspire me up for us alone. We're gonna let the good fight flow. My career is in them hand. And then they get this as I live from. When they in a phone in a conversation. This I know, this a beat, beat. But this I when the girl them a beat, beat. And them phone them a beat, beat. And iPhone now them a beat, beat. And them Samsung phone them a beat, 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 beat. Girl from Cardiff, me hear when the song. I'm a real dick, me say I'm the young. Riverside girl, them pick up the song. Big soul girl, them attack along. The girl, them for that, so they love the pattern. Penguin land and penny land. Catchies girl, them have some style with it. Choke bridge girl, them answer you say. Beep, for the style where they girl, them a beep. On them BlackBerry phone, them a beep. On them Samsung phone, them a beep. On them iPhone, now them a beep. Pull, our people sizzling. You know, the Gaza kitchen. Welcome aboard, people. Welcome aboard. Dan Chef again and again and again and again. Big up on yourself, my people. Much love and appreciation for the time and the effort. It's something else if you take a look at going in the Gaza kitchen. You know what Dan Chef do it around here. He tell every Sunday. Yeah, he take the time out to perform his music. You say, I share it to the people there. You see me, I say, up and stunting. Much love again and again and again. Open up a blessed morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you're located at the psychological moment in time. Big up on yourself, up and stunting, on know yourself. Yeah, we did not call no name and I did not mention no name because you don't know what a name for the thing. So up and going, blessed. Blessing. Yeah, we just warm up the thing, you know. Warm up the machine. Soil, the golden soil, golden soil, the golden soil, golden soil, golden soil, golden soil. Let's go. Beat, body style when the girl them a beat, on them BlackBerry phone them a beat, on them Samsung phone them a beat, on them iPhone now them a beat. From Cardiff, we hear with this song. I'm a real making this and the girl. Riverside girl, them pick up this song. Play some girl, them attack along. The girl them fan up, so them love the pattern. Then to me, land it and telling them. Catch this girl, them have some style with it. Joe Bridge girl, them hard with a sip. Big, for the style where the girl, them a big. For them BlackBerry phone, them a big. For the iPhone, no, them a big. For the Samsung phone, them a big. Called the girl sometime last week. On the phone and over the two way I speak. Just as a photo for the conversation. This has the sign of the ear should repeat. Style is so contagious. In a car, this don't be here discuss. Knowing that you put the style like a bus. And a new style, I tell them to you know, I tell them get it from. Girl them style, girl them style, I girl them style, girl them style, girl them style, girl them style. Alright, bro. Beat, for the style when the girl them a beat, on them BlackBerry phone them a beat, on them iPhone now them a beat, on them Samsung phone them a beat. In a car with the ear discuss, knowing that you put the style like a bus. Called the girl sometime last week, on the phone and over the two way I speak. Just as the auto for the conversation, this is the style of the ear she repeat. Style has been so contagious. You know. Up and gunning people because someone has self. You with us our wow the machine as we say, you see. Yeah, you don't know Dan Chef eat around here. Music and food. And you know, each and every Sunday Dan Chef take time out for perform his music and share his music with the people them up on the thing. So you don't know it go. Bless up on yourself. Up and stunting straight out of the Gaza kitchen. Big up the world, big up the world, big up the world, big up the world, big up the man, big up the boys, big up the girl, big up the woman. You see me, I say big up each and every one for this thing. You see, yeah, up and gunning. You see, it's like that. Yeah, we just warm up the thing, you know? We just warm up the thing, some nice juggling. All right, get the thing warm up. Now you know the beat. Take off. Take off. Take off. Stop at tower, you stop at tower. Now take a talk, I want to order. Talented young sucker, one boy, but no, you ever take off from water. Stop at tower, you stop at tower. You are on the place, you are on the border. You get the biggest first ball up, but no, you ever take off from water. Why you do cry? I'm so talented, still I do cry. Why you do cry? So talented, and still I do try. I dare you, put down the guns and the knife. I dare you, don't to take Connect's life. I dare you, refrain from violence. I dare you, don't follow my influence. But so matter why you stop matter what. Now take no talk, I want to order. Talented youngster, I run on ya, but no, you want to take down from poison. So matter what, you stop matter what. You are on the place, you are on the border. You get the biggest first ball, yeah, but don't you ever take down from prison. Story up, the talent within you. Say to your talent, you do come true. Our work dedication is part of the plan. He said that for me, take the life of a man, we put pen to paper. I write this song, the top life you is best to leave it. RTHMP, you could have end up in a hit. To the Karina, fast and quick. This is stop at tower, you stop at tower. Now take a turn, I want to order. Darling, Plenty gangster around boy, ya but now you wanna take down from water. So matter what you stop at our, you are on the place, you are on the border. You get the biggest bus for ya, but now you wanna take down from prisoner. Storing up the talent within you. Stick to your talent, dream do come true. Our dedication is part of the plan. Instead of the need, the life of a man, the put pen to paper. I write a big song. The talk like you, it is best to leave it. At HMP, you would have end up in a bed. To the coroner, fast and quick. This is stop at tower, you stop at tower. Not take no time, I want no other. Talented youngster around all ya, but no, you want to take time from water. Stop at tower, you stop at tower. You are on the place, you are on the border. You get the biggest bus for ya, but no, you want to take time from. I dare you, I dare you, I dare you, I dare you, I dare you. Put on the guns and the knife. I dare you. Don't you take a next life. I dare you. Refrain from violence. If not, you have to bear the consequence. You know, you don't have to be a road warrior and a gangster. You see, don't break the heart of your mother. You see, big up on the 7 people. Dance chef straight out of the Gaza kitchen. It doesn't get the machine warm up, you know. You know, we eat around here. Music and food to the world. You see, it's like that. Big up on the 7 people. Much love and appreciation again for the time and the effort to take a look at what going on in the Gaza kitchen. And you don't know dance chef do it. You see, you don't know what we do it. Are we say multi-talented and skillful, you know? Are we say multi-talented and skillful? Sizzling in my kitchen. In my kitchen. Kitchen. And the girl them make party nice. A girl make party nice. Be a man there with that bad vibes. And the girl them make party nice. A girl them make party nice. The girl them make party nice. If I be a man there with that bad vibes. And the girl them make party nice. Me say, girl, I wind up and I carry on. I entertain me from dusk till dawn. Girl, I bust a sweat and show them skill. Me have to take a 1 yard to my barretta bill. Easy back now, relax and chill. Me now go breathe because we must get the kill. Later, when that a raving still, I hope I be a girl still dip on the bill. Cause a girl make party nice. A girl make party nice. If I be a man, they got with that advice. I think I them make party nice. Girl make party nice. A girl make party nice. If I be a man, they got with that advice. I got them make party nice. Girl a broke it, don't get man excited me. But when I tell ya, girl have to rock it up, ride me bike. I teach them auntie, the girl they get the vibes in it. Constant attention. To myself, me have to get one of them, yeah. And to myself, that a good attention. Wish when I get the invitation. Go black on up on after party session. Cause a girl make party nice. A girl make party nice. If I be a man, they have with that advice. A girl make party nice. A girl make party nice. Girl make party nice. If I be a man, they have with that advice. The girl them make party nice. The girl them not out for tease. They not out for please. The man them in the party. The girl them not out for move. And not out for groove with a man in the party. No, me love to see the party girl in a them nights, dressing up, smelling good. In a them nights, the way them looking good. Me have to compliment them. That's why me give them the special treatment. As a girl make party nice. A girl make party nice. Be a man there with that type of vibes. A girl them make party nice. Girl make party nice. Girl make party nice. But be a man there. That's a bad place. And y'all make party nice. Y'all wind up and I carry on. I entertain me from dusk till dawn. Y'all bust a sweat and show them skill. Me have to take a 1 hour to one interview. Easy back, relax and chill. Me now worry because we must get the kill. Later, when I can raving still. I woke up in the girl still deep on the beat. Cause our girls make party nice. A girl make party nice. If I be a man, they are with that bad vibes. A girl them make party nice. A girl make party nice. A girl make party nice. If I be a man, they will not have advice. A girl them make party nice. You. Girl, I wind up and I carry on. I entertain me from dusk till dawn. Girl, I bust a sweat and show them skill. Me have to take that one ya sizzle. You know the rain or jizzle. I just put in the kitchen and simmer down to gravy. You know, Dan Chef, we ain't acting shady. Music and food we bring to the world. Big up all the boy, big up all of the girl, big up all of the woman, big up all of the man. Then. You see me, I say, Dan Chef straight out of the Gaza kitchen. You know, when we do it around here, music and food is what we cooking. You see me? Sizzle. Big up on yourself again, my people. Much love again and again and again, and appreciation for the time and the effort to take a look what's going on in the Gaza kitchen. And you don't know what Dan Chef beat round here, don't. If you're new to the thing, and music and food get you into the mood, whatever the mood is, you see, it's like that. Up and stunting. Up and stunting. One more time for the show time. One more time for the show time. Sizzling. 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 Let me see. I love the girls, them every day. I love the girls, them every day. And close by their S-I-E, I will A-B-I-D. I love the girls, them every day. Listen again. I love the girls, them every D-A-Y. It goes again. I love the girls, them every D-A-Y. It goes again. And close by their S-I-D, I will A-B-I-D. I love the girls, them every day. It goes again, it goes again. No matter if they're ugly or they're pretty, no matter if they're black or whitey, rich or poor, no matter to me, I love them, and that is endlessly. Me not go give them no one, me not go miss them body. I love the girls, them every D-A-Y. It goes again. I love the girls, them every D-A-Y. And close by their S-I-D, I will A-B-I-D. I love the girls, them every day. It goes again. Can me love the girl them bad and me love them to the max. And me so who I know them can't stop shot. They might live from me name like a tackle power. They not cannot be name but the girl crazy. You no matter where I go I want shot for me. Me not to stop invest in the girl and property. They go to turn me on a tickle me fancy because I love the girls and every D-A-Y. It goes again. I love the girls and every D-A-Y. It goes again. And close by their S-I-D, I will A-B-I-D. I love the girls and every day. It goes again, it goes again. I love the girls and every D-A-Y. I love the girls and every D-A-Y. It goes again. And close by their S-I-D, I will A-B-I-D. I love the girls and every day. It goes again. We love the girl, them man, we love the to the max. A piece of who I know them can't stop shot. Them a lip on me name like a rip. Them a call up me name but me girl crazy. Me no matter what a boy watch out for me. Me never stop invest in a girl and property. They go fit on me and a tickle me fancy because I love the girls them every-D-A-Y. It goes so I love the girls them every-D-A-Y. It goes so close by there S-I-D. I will A-B-I-D. Sizzle. Raina Jizzle. I will love the girl them every day, not just one day. You see it? Not just one day of the week. We love the girl them every day. Straight. It's like that. Dan Chef to the world. Big up all of the woman them. Love the woman them. Respect the man them. You see me I say? It's like that. Straight out of the Gaza kitchen, big up Vibez cartel every time, big up the Gaza nation. You see me I say, big up Buju Banton, big up Beanie Man. You see me I say, big up Bounty Killer, big up all of the young artists, all of the veteran artists, big up the whole of Kingston, big up the whole of Jamaica, big up the whole of America, big up the whole of England, big up the whole of Wales. You see me, I said, big up the whole of Africa, Asia. You see me, I said, the whole of Europe. Yeah. It's like that. It's like that. You know, we do it around here. Music and food, yeah. As I said, we just get the thing warm up. You see, we just get the thing warm and warm. Warming up. All right, give me it again. Give me it again. Give me it again. Showtime. It's showtime. Don't drink coffee, I drink roots my day. And I love my morning bride. You can hear it in my accent when I talk. I'm a Jamaican in South Wales. Oh, I'm an alien. I'm a little alien. I'm a Jamaican in South Wales. See me walking down in Bridgetown with my hat turned to one side. You can see it when I walk. I'm a Jamaican in South Bay. Oh, I'm an alien. I'm a little alien. I'm a Jamaican in South Bay. Nice enough the party, do it for the love of it. So they will know that I'm the man. Because we live in Artie, Babylon no like me. But still we gonna party till the sun. Oh, I'm an alien, I'm a leader, I'm a Jamaican in South Bay. Oh, I'm an alien, I'm a leader alien, I'm a Jamaican in South Bay. Shocking badness does not make a man. He's a rude boy of the day. It takes a man to make a stand sometime. What? Be yourself, no matter what they say. Oh, I'm an alien, I'm a little alien, I'm a Jamaican in South Way. Oh, I'm an alien, I'm a little alien, I'm a Jamaican in South Way. Sizzle, sizzle, you make that again and again and again. Real alien in a strange land. Big up all of the woman, big up all of the man, big up all of the boys, big up all of the girls. You know, we do it around here, Dan Chef. Straight out of the Gaza kitchen. Get the thing warm up. Big up each and every individual on it. Live. Yeah, big up on the 7 people. Much love. Again and again. Yeah, it's like that. Okay, all right. Different thing. Different thing. One more on the program. One more on the short time. Switch it up. Switch it up. We got to switch it up. Switch it. You know? When this big party vibe, pop off. Pull them up, island, back off. When this big party vibe, pop off. Pull them up, island, back off. When this big party vibe, pop off. Pull them up, island, back off. When this big party vibe, pop off. Pull them up, island, back off. And so, pull you get a blood is with your motor. Can this man from east, west, north, and south. TG man know what I'm talking about. And this man know what I'm talking about. And peel and man you can't run off your mouth. Without a doubt tonight it would have out. When you see this big thing, how when them bring out. Both at the way, oh you better step up. And this big 45 it pop. Fool them up island back off. And this big 45 it pop. Fool them up island back. You know, but this thing, I know use it. Boom clap. When me bossy, blue skin, allo point, some boy I feel it. To the Carolina, I want them get a free chip. They never know the chef a bossy to the banana flick. One time, they tell them, they don't in no long talk. Full of the city, splitting, no rent, me squeeze off. 6 foot to 6 pound, the 8 man list. Not with the 45, papa. Fool them a island, baka. When it's the 45, papa. Fool them a island, baka. When me a boss a 45 ask him, they say me enemy they go straight to hell. When me a boss it, me no hesitate. When me boss it, know the place booming it. When me boss it, man know them life turning it. And when me boss it through the board, then go violate, then go for like ears, and speculate by gangster law. And when I say history, when this big 45 it papa. Fool them a island, baka. When this big 45 it papa. Fool them a island, baka. 45 it papa. Fool them a island, baka. When this big 45 it papa. Fool them a island, baka. So fool, you better blow this with your motor gun. This man from east, west, north, south. DG man know what I'm talking about, and Joe this man know what I'm talking about. From Peel and man you can run off your mouth. We don't tap out your light. Oh, when you see this big thing, when you breathe low, oh, that will be you know you better step up. And this big 45 papa, fool them a island. When this sizzle, now we don't want to get too dark in the place. Yeah, we don't want to get too dark on them. You know, dance a Victor here, multi-talented and skillful. You know, and we send music and food to the world. Big up all the boy, big up all of the girl, big up all of the woman there, big up all of the man there, big up each and every one for the thing. You see me I say, dance chef straight out of the Gaza kitchen, big up the Gaza nation every time. Big up Vice Cartel, yeah. Big up Seanstown, the whole of the Gaza family. You see me I say, up and stunting. Damn chef straight out of the Gaza kitchen, you know. We do it around here, music and food to the world, and we say multi-talented and skillful. You see, that's why some of them make the way we ain't got belly full. You see me I say, up and gunning. All right, when we change up the thing, and ting. Yeah. Getting warm in the kitchen. I saw me like it when it's warm. Yeah. All right, dash that. Dash with that. And take it to this. Take it back to the girl. Take it back to the girl. Yeah, because we, as I said. All right, we're not ready for that yet. We're not ready for the answer yet. We're not ready for answer no question yet. We're not ready to answer any question to anyone. All right, for the ladies then. Back on it. I got a secret for you. Dear me, can keep it to myself. Ever since you've been gone, I think of no one else because I love you. Baby, me love you. Baby, me love you. Yes, we really do, girl. There is no other like you. Be a big girl to make my dreams come true. That's the reason why I chose up in my life. And you are the one should have been my wife. To give me the son and the daughter. Who be making the plans for the future. I know you pack up and back with it. They still love. They still have wonder. With this and me and I know they sing. I got a secret for you. Be a me can keep it to myself. Ever since you've been gone, I think of no one else because I love you. Baby, me love you. Baby, me love you. Yes, me really do, girl. I'm not saying me no want a second chance. Baby girl, me miss your sweet romance, especially when the time get cool. Baby girl, I just shoot me one hole for you ignite the fire deep in my soul. Girl, me I go swallow the foolish pride. I love like girls I could never deny. When you find it in your hand, to give me one more try. I won't let you down for the second time. Missing. I got a secret for you. Baby, I keep it to myself. Ever since you've been gone, I think of no one else because I love you. Baby, me love you. Baby, me love you. Yes, we really do, girl. There is no other like you. Baby girl, you make my dreams come true. That's the reason why I choose you in my life. And you are the one should have been my wife. To give me the son and the daughter who will making the plans for the future. I love the pack up and baby, me still love you. Me still not wonder if it's a me and you missing. I got a secret for you. Baby, I keep it to myself. Ever since you've been gone, I think of no one else because I love you. Baby, me love you. Baby, me love you. Yes, we really do, girl. There is no other like you. Baby girl, let my dream come true. Sizzle, rain stop chisel. Don't play with the chef. And we say multi-talented and skillful. And we say music and food to the world. You see, big up all the boy, big up all the girl, big up all the woman, big up all the man. Them. You see, I say big up the world, big up the world, big up each and every country, big each and every state. You see, I say each and every city. Yeah, it's like that. Most of all, big up Kingston City. Yeah, our city. Yeah, it's like that. Don't play with the chef. All right, different thing, different thing, different ting and 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 ting. Different thing for people. Different thing. All right, we're working on this. Answer me question. I'm a politician. Answer me question. I'm a gunman. Answer me question. Me question. Come again, man. Come again, back. Come again. Give me some answer again. Different thing. Sizzle. Ungrateful people, too wicked and evil. Sorry for my God, them turn round by two. Ungrateful people, too wicked and evil. Sorry for my God, them turn round by two. Oh, them stay so man, oh, them stay so man. Oh, the wicked and stay so man. They must see Android, they're gonna be human. Me have to wonder if they are either the young. Give them a hand and them want to take your foot. But if you are facet with them a blood clot crook. Give them your last them want to tell you about your parts and a question. How what this boss? I saw me know them fear. Me know what they no breed. Listen to them argument and watch them motive. Nothing you do for them is appreciated. We will not provide that is not invited. And you're good up life, though, them want blighted. Don't them want me give them everything. But oh my gosh, them want me mash up like Kendall Crush. Ungrateful people, too wicked and evil. Sorry for my God, they turn around by two. Ungrateful people, too wicked and evil. Sorry for my God, they turn around by two. People do anything, no forget when they want. even when the things that they don't need through the path full of bad mind, corruption, and greed. The more read the crop, but the they plant in the seed. You really expect things to be like that? Do you really expect things to be like that? I seem to make the greedy dog lose in bone. He want everything feel own. No matter what you get, they complain and moan. You can't please people, so please yourself. Please yourself and take care of your head. Don't make them treat you like a stack on a shelf. Me not even go street again, go room. Me feel safe, comfortable at home. Me not trust them. They want to take my own in the crazy zone. Ungrateful people, too wicked and evil. Sorry if you mug a dog, they turn around bite you. I saw them stay, some little ungrateful people. They're so wicked and evil. You're sorry for them, and them turn around bite off your heel back. You see it. You see it. You see it. Ungrateful and bad mind in at the same class. Some of them black eye, some of them brown eye, some of them green eye, and some of them blue eye. Deep down, the one of them red eye. Ungrateful people, too wicked and evil. Sorry if you got up, they turn on bite you. Ungrateful people, that's too wicked and evil. Sorry if you got up, they turn on bite you. But all them stay some man, all them stay some man, all wicked and stay some man. They must say Android, they put be human. Me have to wonder if them are alien. You give them a hand and them want to take your foot. With the face of a safe but them are crook. Give them your last word that tell you about the past and a question. How what is past? That's what me know them fear. Me know say them not real, listen to them argument and watch them motive. Nothing you do for them is appreciated. People will not provide that is that invited. And you're good of life, they want blighted. They want you give them everything. When oh my gosh, they want you mash up like Kendall crush. Ungrateful people, too wicked and evil. Sorry if you got down, they turn down bite you. Ungrateful people, too wicked and evil. Sorry if you got down, they turn down bite you. Ungrateful and bad mind in the same class. Some of them black eye, and some of them brown eye, some of them green eye, and some of them blue eye. Deep down, the one of them red eye. Ungrateful people, they're too wicked and evil. Sorry if you got up, they turn around bite you. Ungrateful people, they're too wicked and evil. Sorry if you got up, and they turn around bite you. Gosh. Yeah, that's how some of them stay, and so some people stay, and them don't appreciate it, nothing that you do for them. So sometimes better you not do nothing for them. Yeah. And all the while you can't help, but give and help while you can. You see. But not everybody have to help sometimes. Because sometimes you help some people and then turn on and all spitting on your face. They might fling it back in your face. You give them all your last, and they might tell you about your parts. Yeah, you give them all a hand and they want to take off all your foot. You see, they might crook. Yeah. Pick up on yourself, people. Much love again and again and again and again and again for the time. Again and again on the effort. If you take a look what going on in the Gaza kitchen, you don't know what Dan Chef do it around here. Music and food to put you in the mood, whatever the mood is. You see, it's like that. Or I say one more on the all answer. One thing. All right, let me touch one more piece. Yeah, I think I'll touch a piece more on it. Answer the question. Yeah. Sizzle. Rain start drizzle. I just say party in the kitchen and simmer down to gravy. We do it around here. we acting shady because we is not Slim Shady, is Dan Chef to the world. And we is a multi-talented and skillful music and food. You see, let me get it one more time. I think I'm gonna jump upon the answer one more time, people, one more time. But before I do so, let I take two puff, 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 puff. Let me take two puff, 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 because I grade alone can float in on my brain. Me no want no crack, me no want no cocaine. Give me the high grade, it never get me insane. High grade alone can float in on my brain. High grade alone can float in on my brain. Me spliff it long like the Birmingham train. Yeah. It's like that. It's like that, my people, my people, my people. Let me touch the answer again. And that's clear. Goodies, but goodies. Goodies, but goodies. A million times I'm alright all about you. Those tears and tears and laughter, things we used to do. Of memories so warmer like a sunny day. I take you back, whatever price I pay. I miss the way you run your finger to my hair. Those crazy nights we cuddle in your easy chair. I won't let foolish pride turn you away. I take you back, whatever price I pay. Old friend, it's so nice to feel you hold me all day. And it doesn't matter where you have been. My heart welcome you again. Oh yeah, hey. Remember those romantic walks we used to take. You held my hand in such a way my knee would shake. You can't imagine how much I needed you. I never loved someone as I love you. Old friend, this is where our happy ending begins. And I'm sure that this time we're gonna win. My heart welcome you home again. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. This magic moment, so different and so new, but like any other. Until I kiss you, then I felt it happen. It took me by surprise, but I knew that you felt me too, yeah. By the look in your eyes, sweeter than a wine, and warmer than a summer night. But everything I want, I am. Whenever I hold you tight. Yeah, big up to the woman them, because we love the woman them with a passion, you see. Dansha said that, yes, straight. We love the woman them with a passion and we will never go ration. You see me I say so. Love up the woman them and respect the man them. You see, big up on yourself people. Much love again and again and again for the time and effort. If you take a look what going on in the Gaza kitchen and you don't know what Chef beat around you, don't. Music and food to the world. Straight like 6 o'clock. Yeah. Yeah, straight like the 6 o'clock up on the wall. Yeah, we keep standing tall. Okay, though. All right. Let me run it one more time. Let me run the answer one more time. Final time. Different thing. The one I name. Take care of your body. Take care of your structure. You see me? Healthy lifestyle, healthy living. offend anyone. I just meant to be humorous. Alright, the one I name take care of your body. Yeah, I don't mean to offend anyone. I just being humorous and realistic. You see me, I said that tune kind of, it have some words, some it have some words. Don't take it in the wrong context, you know. I just style. It does style and method, metaphor. You see me? You see me, I say, all right, it go like this. It go like this. Take, won't care of your body. Take, won't care of your body. Take, won't care of your body. Take, won't care of your body good and care it properly. Fix up your face, black up your feet. You need to blitz it out with no blue bomber. Your ear too dry, wet it up with water. Your eyes too nice to clean up, no matter. Clean up the bubbles from your nose area, so you can smell that chef food better. Keep your mouth smelling fresh, make it have a nice odor. That means you feel brush and floss regular. Brush it from crib, it's out to corner. If you have rotten teeth in your jaw corner, come make me lick them out with a chisel and a hammer. 2 times daily you feel go like shower. Wash down your back and show your shoulder. All of your hand get rid of bad odor. Gently wash out your private area. You keep a cutty listen like a grater. Rub it up with piece of sandpaper. But take good care of your body. Take good care of your body. Take good care of your body. Take good. Eat a lot of vegetable, one heap of fibers, so your bowing can flow much freer. Watch your weight and calorie. Drink a lot of water, cool way for your body. Your body needs protein, vitamin, and nutrition. Without these, body will malfunction. Take me advice, you know you now go wrong. Take good care of your body. Take good care of your body. Take good care of your body. Take good. Care your body good and care it properly. Fix up your face and right up your feature. We don't need to beat it up with no blue bomber. Your ear too dry, wet it up in waters. Your eye too nice to clean up the matter. Clean up the bubbles from your nose area, so you can smell that chef food better. Keep your mouth smelling fresh, make it have a nice odor. Like me, you see brushing, floss regular. Brush, dash. Yeah, as we say, it's just humor and realistic. Humor and reality. Yeah. People take care of the body, healthy body. Yeah, will last long. You see me, I say, eat up your vegetables and your fibers. Yeah, drink a lot of water, do a lot of exercise. You see me, I say, it's like that. Keep your body healthy, fight off all disease and virus and all these things. Yeah, you see me, I say, it's like that. It's like that, you know, Dan Chef. Do it around here, music and food to the world. Big up all of the boys, big up all of the girls, big up all of the men, and big up all of the women. All right, let me get out of that and get into something different. And you know, we do it around here. You know, we do it around here. We ain't have no fear. You know, we do it around here. Yeah, let me find the different. Let me find the different thing. Let me go in at them music. You see me, I said. Let me go into this. You let me go into this, because you know, we do it around here. You know, we do it around here, because we are the original chef, and we are the real Jamaican chef straight out of Kingston. Yeah, all right. Let me go into the food thing. All right, that was take care of your body. Well, these are the food thing. Dan Chef, yeah, the real certified chef and artist, more talented and skillful. You see, sizzling in my kitchen. You know the menu is out and the food is ready. So you got to place the order before the food done. Sizzle. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food plan. Food man, they got the food man. I'm the girl, them a take set man. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food plan. Food man, they got the food man. I'm the girl, them a take set man. They don't want a electrician, they don't want a politician. They don't want a musician, they don't want a politician. They don't want a soldier, they don't want a policeman. They don't want a madman. When they walk at the real food man, they are the chef with the food plan. He took them and make them strong. When they get up them long. Make them go, we don't want to long. Make them go, what they think for long. We go beat the job on a Thailand fashion. Let them go, we got the food man. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food plan. Food man, they got the food man. And the girl, them a take Satan. It's like the food when they feed them pan. Aki and saltfish, purple and yam. Liver and calamari in the morning. Beside that you fried up quick. They don't want to go till the evening. Rice to the peas and chicken. That a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday, you know what? You know what that thing is? Everybody pack up the second make kitchen. And a cheap waiting. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food man. And we tell them I take Satan. French fried chicken. They say KFC, don't finger the king. They say, Dan chef, you want it? Say from Jamaica. That's how they put the Jamaica. Harlot, Susan, Anja, she know me jerk chicken. She know me cut a walk early in the morning. Like a week in the kitchen. Sonia, I don't want gravy rice. Come with pork and rice. Me have to know me about Jesus Christ. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food plan. Food man, they got the food man. I'm the girl, them a take Satan. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food plan. Food man, they got the food man. I'm the girl, them a take Satan. When they feed them pan, Aki and saltfish, don't play and jump. Liver and calamari in the morning. Beside that tattoo, they don't want to go. Rice to the peas. That a Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you know what? You know what that thing is? Everybody back up the second day kitchen, can the chicken million and the chicken waiting. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food man. And the girl, them a take Satan. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food plan. Food man, they got the food man. How be y'all the girl, them a take Satan? Quite so. Are we the chef? Are we say multi-talented and skillful? Are we say music and food? No. It's quite appropriate to have a food salad. You see what I say? Big up on yourself, people. Much love and again and appreciation for the time and the effort to take a look what going on in the Gaza kitchen. You see, you don't know dance chef beat around here. Music and food. You see, music and food to the world, straight out of the Gaza kitchen. You see me, I said, big up the Gaza nation every time, big up Vice Cartel every time, big up Sean Stone. You see me, I said, big up the whole Gaza nation, big up the whole of Portmore. You see me, I said, for sure, big up the whole of Kingston, yeah, big up Jungle, yeah, big up our junglists, big up my junglist friend, and big up my Rima friend, and my Tiffany friend, and big up Painland, ain't no strange land, my place. You see me, I said, big up the whole works. You see me, I said, big up the whole of Europe. They got the whole America. You see, much love again and again the people. You see, it's like that. Dance check to the world. Different thing. Are we are the food man, you know? Are we say multi-talented, skillful? When I make day, we ain't a benefit music and food to the world. Big up the boys and big up the girl. Love the woman them and respect the man them. You see me I say? It's like that. We say that. And we say that. Now, all right, let's get out from the food man. From the food man to what? From the food man to the blood back. From the food man to the boss man. Quite so. white son. From the food man to the boss man because when they talking to the girl, them and they were telling me things like this. I'm not talking to the girl, you know what? I can't get scared to fight and all of these things. So you tell them, girl don't wanna hear that man, then a girl don't wanna work this man, then a girl don't wanna. When the girl walk out, girl don't wanna hear that man, then a girl don't wanna. Then a girl don't wanna. When the girl walk out, be boss man, they hear that man, the work this man, the foolish man. When the girl walk out, put them up and forever treat them right. Take them to places that them like. They love to treat the girl them extra nice. Show them what a real man is like. Treat the girl them like them off the first time. Shoot the first time. When we push on collide, cause you want to be the one. Girl don't wanna hear that man, then a girl don't wanna. Girl don't wanna. When the girl want to go real boss man, girl don't wanna. Girl don't wanna. Girl don't wanna. But the girl want to go be boss man. Woman want a man for that and she can't done. She want a man for massage her old body down. The girl them want stability. Yes, them want security. The girl them want loving and affection. My girl, she get no attention. They take a boy girl, lift them in now and around. Tell them not, give them girl no attention. Girl don't wanna. Girl don't wanna. Girl don't wanna. But the girl don't want to go. Girl don't wanna. Girl don't wanna. Girl don't wanna. But the girl don't want to go real boss man. You're a category of girl. It's not. You're a loose in your girl and a next man. I'm about your girl, cause you never spend no time with your girl and a next man. I'm about the front line and a next man. I'm about the front line. I'm just a violence. I'm free your conscience. Girl don't wanna. Girl don't wanna. Girl don't wanna. But the girl don't want to go. Girl don't wanna. Girl don't wanna. Girl don't wanna. But the girl don't want to go real boss man. Girl don't wanna treat them right. Take them to places that they like. They love to treat the girl them extra nice. Show them what a real man is like. Treat the girl them like the art the first. But she got the key for it. Or she get the first. Now the bedroom. Or the crash and collect. She want to put on the ring because she want to be the right. Girl don't wanna. Girl don't wanna. Girl don't wanna. But the girl don't want to go real boss man. He that man. The worthless man. The foolish man. But the girl don't want to go real boss man. He that man. The worthless man. The foolish man. And the real boss man. He that man. The worthless man. And I mean, say so, you know, and the woman them say so. Yeah, they say they don't want to eat that man. So they just put pen to paper and drop it in a song. You see it? Yeah, the woman them say they don't want to eat that man around here. You see, it's like that. It's like that. Big up on myself, my woman. Big up on myself, my ladies, my babies. Yeah, as we say, we love the woman with a passion, and it will never go Russian. You see me, I say, love the woman and respect the man them. You see, up and going, dance check to the world. Yeah, different thing. Different thing, and keep it like a football. Yeah. All right. From the kids, from the boss man to the boss man, from the boss man to, all right. From the boss man to what? All right, I'm going to turn up the swag upon them. Because them are going like say they don't want to step up the thing. Different attitude. No, man, I need that. Turn up that. Me say swagger, me say, turn up the swag upon them. Turn up the swag upon them. Turn up the swag. And we swap crazy like Bellevue. Yeah, we swap crazy like Bellevue. You know Bellevue? Yeah, but we were on the road in Jamaica, yeah. I saw we swap crazy. You have a place in London named Mersey House. You know that house? Alright, yeah. Yeah. If you don't know, ask somebody about it. Or if you're in a ways, There's a place in Whitchurch. Yeah. I saw a swag is like crazy, crazy. Don't play with the chef. Mad swag. Turn it up on them. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Different attitude. You see? Different attitude on them. No, that me say. Hey, selector, we are ramping. Hey, look, selector boy, don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me, selector boy. Yo, me tell you say another one. At this one, man. Yo. Madness! Yo, madness! Crazy! Crazy! It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's always me never have a thing, no everything change. No, me a go turn up, this what happen, turn up, this what happen, turn up, this what happen. No, we will have them want to be my friend. Do everything step out, fresh and clean. Take care of my personal hygiene. I be a girl of me when they touch the street. I'm living my life and it's not no dream. It's what it's always saying. It's always saying. It's always saying. It's what it's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. Don't be like Marcy Bus that they used to stand up. No more car can splash me up. No money. It's not an object. Come in lifestyle change everything opposite. Everywhere they go, people that call out me name. It's because of the money, not because of the fame. No for them who would like to go back to nothing but the truth. They can know say. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's what it's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. Let me turn up this one. Let me turn up this one. Never get drafted. They don't know where you come from. When I eat this, I dry bread and go to bed. But you got bless, and I say, no man curse. Thank the Lord, I'm not the verse. Here, as I said, the trap and they make people. So you hear me? It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's what it's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. You never ever think no everything change. Don't need to turn up this one up on it, turn up this one up on it, turn up this one up on it. Nobody will have to want to be my friend too. Every day they step out. Take care of me. I be a girl of the women. I be living my life and it's not nothing. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's always saying. It's always saying. It's always saying. Me never have a thing but everything change. No, me I go turn up the swag up and then turn up the swag up and them. No, the whole of them want to be my friend. Every day me step out fresh and clean. Take care of my personal hygiene. I be a girl flap me when they touch the street. I'm living my life and it's not no dream. Man, I will tell you, me swag crazy. Insanity, madness. Richard, Bellevue, Mersey House can't hold them swag. Mad. Yeah, big up on yourself, my people. Much love again and again and again. Remember, people, like and share the thing. Yeah, yes, like that. Remember, subscribe to the YouTube channel, Dan Chef TV. Follow me on Instagram, Dan Chef Records. Follow me on SoundCloud, Dan Chef Records. You see me, I say, follow me next Facebook, Dan Chef. Yeah, that one with that white chef cap on me. That. Yeah, follow that page. Can me soon stop use this page. You see me, I say, big up on yourself, people. Much love again and again and again. You see me, I say, it's like that. Up and stunting, sizzling in my kitchen. Music and food is what we're cooking. You see? Okay, dope. This ain't no joke. All right, different thing. different thing. I ain't calling it up now. Kicking another one. Kicking another one. Yeah. Go back to the girls then. Go back to the girls then. Go back to the girls then. Because I said I love the girl then, and the girl that inspire is like that. The girl that inspire a lot. Yeah. Yeah. The girl that inspire a lot. So I don't got them thing with them on. Yeah. But see what them up them now? The girl them a trap me like FBI. Yeah. Them a trap me like GPS. What am I doing? What am I doing? Them a trap me, I keep up on. Them a trap me, they got them a trap me, like FBI. I saw them a watch me. Them a trap me, they got them a trap me, like keep up on. I saw them a trap me. Them a trap me, they got them a trap me, like FBI. I saw them a watch me. Them a watch me night and day. Them a watch me. I listen to everything me say. Like a person, so they want to snatch me. Only in a bank, that's what they want. If you in a me pot, that's what they want. To me, that the chef, no for them want on me. Tell them a trap me, they tell them a trap me. I saw them a trap me, tell them a trap me, they tell them a trap me. Like this behind, I saw them a watch me. Tell them a trap me, they tell them a trap me. Like keep up on, I saw them a trap me. Tell them a trap me, they tell them a trap me. Like this behind, I saw them a paparazzi. And I said, you're not celebrity. I feel me a cooking at the community. So tell me, girl, then, come watch me in the kitchen. Come watch me on the stage. Come watch me in the studio. Come watch me. Them a trap me, the girl, them a trap me. I keep up on, I saw them a trap me, the girl, them like the guy. Them a trap me, the girl, them I keep up on. Them a trap me, the girl, them a trap me. I saw them a watch me. Them not just me. They a say I'm too girly. But every girl me have to give them the satisfaction. But they don't have no need it. And they don't know how it and already. Me say who are no rap. Hey, them a trap me, them a trap me. I keep up on. I saw them a trap me. Them a trap me, them a trap me. I keep the eye. I saw them a watch me. Them a trap me. I keep up on. Them a trap me, them. I keep the eye. I saw them a. Them a watch me night and day. Them a watch what we do. And listen to everything you say. Like a purse, I saw them one. Money in a bank, I saw them one. Food in a me pot, I saw them one. To be a chef, no them a trap me, they carry them a trap me. Like it up her, I saw them a trap me. Them a trap me, they carry them a trap me. Like it behind, I saw them a watch me. Them a trap me, they carry them a trap me. Like it up her, I saw them a trap me. Them a trap me, they carry them a trap me. Like it behind, I saw them a watch me. Them a trap me, they carry them a trap me. Like it up her, I saw them a trap me. Them a trap me, they carry them a trap me. Like it behind, I saw them a watch me. Them a trap me, they carry them a trap me. Like it up her, I saw them a watch me. Them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. The girl them is tracking me. You know tracking. Me no mean track, you know. Me no mean them a trap me like FBI. Them a trap me like Interpol. You know what is Interpol? Ask Google. I saw the girl them a trap me like yeah. Them a watch what me do and them a listen to everything me say. Then them go back and say, insert and you know mix up and you know and all of them about some of them. Yeah, that's what I'm do. I'm a trap me. Yeah, but we love them. We love them. As I say, we love women with a passion. And it can't go Russian. It can't go Russian. Straight woman we say. Yeah, big up all of the woman them. You see me I say? Respect the man them. Yeah. It's like that. Yeah, my people blessed. Bless up all the time again and again and again and again and again. Yeah. We don't know myself now. We're not going to call no individual name. As I said, I ain't calling no individual name. I'm bigging up each and every one on the live. Yeah. Big up on yourself. Remember, like and share the thing. Yeah. Share the thing, please, and thank you. Yeah, it's like that. A full of manners and courtesy. Yeah. Yeah, and so my granny grew on me. It's like that, people. Remember, subscribe to the Damn Chef TV. Yeah, YouTube. Yeah, follow me on Instagram, Damn Chef Record. SoundCloud, Damn Chef Record. Yeah. Yeah, my people, now touchdown to the hours again and again and again. Yeah, time, a race with me. Time don't really matter, you know, but me set a particular time that I wanted to end it. So I'm going to end with two more songs. With two more songs, and then I'll close out the thing. You see? Yeah, two more songs. Because I'm going over the hour, you know. Now tell us the time fly, you know. Time fly, man. You wouldn't believe it's 1 hour and 10 minutes already. I believe it stop. Believe it stop properly and say, yeah, now have a little break. Have a little sip of my water and take to pull out from a spliff and ting. Yeah, but you know we did. You know we did. We love the people, and so we just do it for the people, and we do it for the love. Yeah, we love music. Music, you know, music is an inborn thing in a way, and I don't just love it, you know. Music in a way, from we are a child, from we you know we mother baby. Yeah, it's like that. Big up on yourself, people, again and again and again and again. Okay, doke, I like. Let us slow it down. Let me slow it down a bit. And then I kick out this kitchen. All right, different thing. How we say all the talent and skillful. Sizzle, raise that jizzle. Raise that jizzle. My God. They don't know the life that we live. They really don't know the life that we live. They don't know the pressure we're here. They really don't know what they don't really care. They don't know the life that we live. They really don't know the life that we live. They don't know the pressure we're here. They really don't know what they don't really care. None of them know we reach nowhere, but some of them don't want to get my share. We work so hard every day and night just to take care of the kids and wife. None of them don't want to jump on my share. None of them want to get my share. They go forward, but you to say about dropping a barrel. They would like to see you protect and every time they give you the piece and the dirty money. But already back is against the wall. I check that me back, they now go see the car. They don't know the life that you live. They really don't know the life that you live. And they don't know the pressure you bear. They really don't know. They don't know the life that we live. They really don't know the life that you live. And they don't know the pressure we bear. They really don't know, but they don't really care. We live in a ghetto. We go to the ghetto. Get a superstar. That is who we are. Granny did say that we never reach far. We never go the shop. We never go the bar. Negative people can live apart. It's up. Then shine like a star. What would you know? First of all, they got to read two chapters, so they know my personality and character. So don't take me far, I push over, I don't take me far, no weakness. You know what my friend them, and at the ends, they don't know the life that you live, they really don't know the life that you live. And they don't know the pressure, they really don't know what they don't really care. They don't know the life that you live, they really don't know the life that you live. And they don't know the pressure we bear. They really don't know what they don't really care. They get the drift. Listen to my statement. Breathe, get up. You don't see the evidence. Check the profile. Multi-talent and skillful. They never know me, but we never have a very cool. Through them bad mind and unscrupulous. In a some people, they can't have the trust. You never know mankind so evil. You know, say time is so very lost. They don't know the life that we live. They really don't know the life that we live. And they don't know the pressure we live. They really don't know what them love is. They don't know, they really don't know the life that we live. They don't know the pressure that we live. They really don't know what them love is. They get the truth. They really don't know the life that we live. They don't know the pressure we live. They really don't know. And they don't really care. They don't know the life that we live here. They don't know the pressure that we bear. You know, I'm saying that to say this. You know, some people know say you go through some hardship and some tribulation and all of these things, and they can help, but they will never help you. They will never. You see, and when you drop on your face, you know, they would never help you. They would not even walk and even trample your toe and say, oh, a long time you feel down there. You know, so some people is like that. They know where you go through, they know the struggle you bear, and they can give an helping hand, but they will never do it. You see what I say? They will never do that. Yeah. Some I say people live in love, yeah. Show love to each and every one. Show love to your brothers and sisters. Show love to your mother and father. Respect your mother and father as a matter of fact. You see, yeah, it's like that. Me not to, you know, what if elaboration, you know, me not to, you know, preaching thing today, you know. Yeah, my people, bless up on yourself, much love again and again and again for the time and the effort to take a look what's going on into Dan Chef Kitchen, the Gaza Kitchen, straight out of South Wales. You see me, I say, big up the Gaza nation every time, big up Vice Carter every time, big up yourself, world boss. Yeah, hold the faith. Yeah. All right. Let me kick out of that and kick into this. Yeah. Cool it down. Yeah. Do this one and then I just scar it at night. Yeah. Cool it down. I'm not saying nothing about the future. A scientist and a fortune teller. They must have put and I make a sound shot. Sizzle. Nobody knows tomorrow bring. Tomorrow. They know about the past, living the present, but they don't know what tomorrow bring. What tomorrow bring. Show a little love right now, cause they don't know what tomorrow bring. What tomorrow bring. Every day you get up and pray. Me thank Father God to see another day and guide me a long life here while the sun shining as he make me and get what is rightfully mine, cause no one can stop the hands of time. Follow your dreams and aspiration. Do it right now, no wait too long. Nobody knows tomorrow bring. Tomorrow bring. Tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow bring. Tomorrow bring. Tomorrow. Tomorrow no promise to anyone. Make use of life the best way you can. Live it the way you want to live it. And it's a journey if you love mystery. Today you see me, next time you don't. Life is so precious, don't plant it about. While they recite, they will always be out. Some people give up and say they can't go. Nobody knows tomorrow bring. Tomorrow bring. Tomorrow. Oh. Nobody knows tomorrow bring. Tomorrow bring. Tomorrow. Oh. Financially be satisfied. That don't mean say that you're better than a man. Remember that we all are human. So give an every hand whilst you can. No push your brother down in a ugly sand. Divided we fall, united we stand. We don't know when we shall depart this land and move on to the other one. Nobody knows tomorrow bring. Tomorrow bring. Tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. What? No one knows what tomorrow brings. No one knows what tomorrow holds. We know about the past. We live in the present day, which we call today. but we don't know what tomorrow bring. Yeah. They said tomorrow is supposed to be Monday, but we don't know if we're gonna live to see tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow is not promised to no man. Yeah, so make use of life the best way you can. While there is life, there will always be hope. So live good. Live not for yourself, but live for others. Yeah. Yeah. Don't live for yourself. Some people that say, oh, man, I live to, don't be selfish. Live for others as well. Yeah. Treat others as you would like them treat you. You see me, I say, yeah, much love and appreciation for the time again, the people and the effort. Yeah. Now I touch the last song and then I call it a night. Yeah. Because I say I gone way over my time. But we just I believe because we love the people, we love music. We love entertain people. You see, whether we entertain them with food or we entertain them with the music or we entertain them with time, you see, it's like that. Bless upon yourself again and again and again and again. Remember, like and share the show, so other people can see it and support the movement. Yeah. Big up on yourself again. Remember, subscribe to the YouTube channel and when you do subscribe, just turn on the notification bell. That's whenever I drop a new video, you people will see it. Yeah, remember, follow me on SoundCloud, Dan Chef Records. Follow me on Instagram, Dan Chef Records. Yeah, and follow my next Facebook page. It's not Dan Chef, but that one you don't have a picture, you just got a chef cap, and it's not DCR. Yeah, that's my other page. That is the next page that I'll be using in time to come. Yeah. So bless upon yourself again, the people. Never touch the final tune. I'm never love and leave. You see? Yeah. Okay. One more tune. One more tune. And the message is in the music. Yeah. We're good like that, We love spreading good vibes and good message, Yeah. Even though we need to plan all different type of topic. Yeah. But the main focus is to edify people. Yeah. Okay, now. The one I mean spilling.
Too much innocent killing.
Sizzle.
Too much blood is spilling.
Yeah. Tango. Don't be like Hollywood. This is ain't Hollywood, now some movie script. Now some virtual reality. You see? Real.
Don't be like Hollywood, that's Hollywood. If you want to go
too much innocent killing. Too much blood is spilling. Get your youths and the victims. Right there. Take away the pride away. They call us sign. Why you put that in? People were trying to live and make sense. Black a kill black, fit a lance and pens. Then a whole lot of show no bread. Why the brother from a different mother, but I like to take the life of another brother. So why the brother from a different mother, but I like to take the life of another brother. Hey, too much innocent, too much blood is. I get your youths out right there. Take away the pride and the privilege. Call us under privilege. Why you put an entire village right there? Sure. Rock to the youths and they sell off to the youths. Pray for the youths and they say pray for the youths. Justice for the youths and they say justice for the youths. All Babylon road is one execute. Unity and love and we got deal with now. War and crime we don't want that now. We can't visit the mothers get crying. Breathe the visibility of them morning. Too much innocent. Too much blood is. I get your youths at the plenty. Take away the pride away. Call us and a privilege. Why you put a entire village? Plenty away. Be a train. To the ghetto youths and take up and pray. That's what I got Chinese like the way. No watch your obstacles in your life. See your focus and don't go astray. No one will see me go down. No one will see me go under the ground. They don't want to see me rise. Get on your youths and let them down surprise. Too much innocent killing. Too much blood is. I get your youths and the plenty of it. Take away the pride away. They call us and the privilege. Why put a entire village? Be a change. Love to the youths. Pray for the youths. Justice for the youths. All Babylon is one execute. Unity and love are we are dealing now. War and crime, we don't want that now. We tired to see the mothers get crying. Breathe if you see the little youth them morning. Too much innocent. Too much blood is. I get your youths at the plenty of it. Take away the they call your son up. Why you put a in? Plenty of it. Be a change. Too much innocent killing. Too much youth and youth are kill off them one another. Especially in the black community. Too much little black youth are kill off them one another. Black are kill black for dollars and pence. Imagine. Black are kill black. And then they go tell me, say what? Black life matter. Look into it. Oh, black are kill black and they might say black life matter. Do the maths. Black people, wise up. Love one another. Stop killing off one another. When you don't stop killing off one another, other people won't kill them. You see, start in your house first. Yeah. Show love to one another. Then you can show love to a different set of people. You see me, I say, love yourself, then you can spread the love. Yeah. Don't be no hypocrite when you talk about black life matter. Every life matter. Yeah, every life do matter. Even the animal, the birds and the bees, their life matters as well. You see me, I say. So people, never love and leave, you know. They never want to go to deep down your toes thing. They never want to sound like no to politician and no preacher. You see, I'm just a musician. I'm just an artist doing my art with music. You see, now big up yourself, people. Much love again and again and again. We are going to locate it at the psychological moment in time. You see, whether morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever it is now, bless up yourself. Have a blessed Sunday. You see, whether night, evening, and afternoon, love and live on. Big up yourself, people. Much love again and again for the time and the effort to take a look what going on in the Gaza kitchen, you know. Dance chef to the world, music and food, we say. That is our thing. Yeah. We do the music on a Sunday. Every Sunday we do the music. Yeah. And during the week, we cook the food and sell it to the people. You see, because the people them love the food. One of the best Jamaican chef in our wheels. If you think I like, try my food. Yeah. Circle me. I'm going to try my food. I will give you a sample. Yeah, I don't have to charge you. I cook and give people free food just like that. Yeah. It's not about the money. You know, it's not about the money. It's about the love. Yeah. So bless up yourself, people. Up. I'm out. Till next week. Bless up.